Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your charity organization business. For example, you are running a charity organization business in where you can provide different facilities to your clients such as campaign updates, charity programs and contact support. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your client send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your charity organization business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of charity organization, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello, welcome to Hope Bridge Foundation. We are here to create change, spread kindness and help those in need. Together with you. How can we assist you today? While providing me 3 options, that is charity programs, campaign updates and support. If I'll click on charity program, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me some details about the charity program, including 2 buttons, that is donate and join as volunteer. If I'll click on donate, then you can see it will respond to me like this while asking my full name. So here I am giving them my full name. Here I provided. After that you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me 3 different types of donation, that is feed a family, educate a child and clothing kit. If I'll click on feed a family, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me 1 QR code for donation. Now if I'll click on join as volunteer, then you can see it will respond to me like this and again asking me for my full name. Here I am again giving them my name. Here I provided. After that it will ask me for my weekday availability. So I am giving them one day, that is Monday. Here I provided. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this that thank you Mehruz Khan, you are now successfully registered as volunteer with us while providing me the day, that is Monday. Our team will connect with you soon to share the next step and upcoming opportunities. Now if I'll click on campaign updates, then you can see it will provide me all the details about campaign updates including the date and the information. Now if I'll click on support, then it will provide me the contact details of this charity organization business. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your charity organization business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our charity organization business, here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex, and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of charity organization. Now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that, I am taking one text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message. Here I write it. You can see at the end of this message, I'll ask my client that how can we assist you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some quick buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as charity programs. The second button I'll write as campaign updates, and the third button I'll write as support. Here I write it. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my clients wants to know about charity programs, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about charity program. Here I write it. Now I am giving them two buttons, that is donate and join as volunteer. Now if my clients wants to donate in my charity organization program, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this action option, take button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question as please provide your full name, because at first I want to know the name of my clients. See, here I write it in the select contact custom field. I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here the format I'll select is text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your client, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of donate to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my clients will provide me their full name, then my bot will respond to them. For that I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my response. Here I write it. In this also I am giving them some options of charity, that is feed a family, educate a child and clothing kids. Now if my client wants to donate any of these causes, that is feed a family, educate a child or clothing kids, then I am going to respond them like this. At first I want to thankful to them, then providing them one QR code so that they can donate directly with WhatsApp. For that I am taking one text button, take this message box here, and at first I am writing the thank you message. Here I write it. Now I want to upload one test QR code. For that I am clicking on this add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one another box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image of test QR from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am connecting all these three circles to this message because response would be the same. Here it is connected. Now the next one is the join as volunteer. If my clients wants to join my charity organization as a volunteer, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am again clicking on this action option, take button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a response message. See, here I write it, that is thank you for your amazing spirit of service. At the end of this you can see I'll ask my client that at first please provide your full name. So again I am selecting the contact custom field as full name and the format I'll select as text. You can also increase number of attempt if you want to. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of join as volunteer to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my clients will provide me their full name, then I want to ask them about their availability. For that I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as. Here I write it, that is please let us know your availability. For that I'll select the contact custom field as day availability and the format I'll select as any. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my clients will provide me their name as well as their day of availability, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the respond message. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol my bot will respond to my clients by their name. As different clients have different names, so for sending their manual name or manual data we will use this symbol. Now the next one is the campaign updates. If my clients wants to know some details about the campaign, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details about the campaign updates. See, here I write it. After that the last one is the support. If my clients want to directly contact with me as they want the contact details of my charity organization business, then they will click on the support button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the contact details. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your charity organization business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will provide them all the necessary details, collect their donation, provide them campaign updates, contact details, etc. within a seconds. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.